passive, yes, yes. Now I'd like to request to introduce ourselves. Could you introduce this? Yeah. So that they know what's happening.
I'm Anita Penna.
Anita and I have been with since 20 years.
Oh, thank you.
Oh, very good.
I'm so very
Thank you.
Nancy McCarthy. Like Jupiter and
Okay.
upstate New York, in Falls
Thank you. I think Ms. Owen. Thank you. Thank you.
What is she? She doesn't want
Thank you. Anyway, thank you.
Gotcha.
Thank you.
Profile. Very good.
Oh, good.
He has been living for around 5 months only. Oh, thank you. Welcome. Thank you.
I'm Sri Sena. I've been living in this country for the last 7 years.
Thank you. Oh, that's great. Thank you. Oh, thank you.
Dito yung matulay ulit.
I should.
Dito yung matulay.
Anyway, thank you. We all of we know, but we would like to hear something again from this lady, Miss Christel.